Hey guys, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today we'll be going over the best dice strategies to increase your crypto. I will demonstrate the best ways to beat Provably Fair. Get started by signing in with your Faucet Pay or C wallet email. After you log in, your dashboard is on the left. Select Games. Now choose Dice. When you have your dice game loaded, enter these settings. Select Auto. Next, put your on loss to increase bet by 26%. Put your win chance to 14.9%. Now select the blue roll button and let the bot play for you. This works with a balance of 0.00270,000 Solana. Make sure to start with the lowest bet amount. I'm going to speed up the footage while it plays. You can copy my settings if you get confused. As you can see, my balance is going up. Don't get greedy, take profit after you double your coins. When you're done, claim from the faucet to get more coins. As you can see, I'm level silver. I will update you guys when I get to gold. This next strategy is a little more risky, but it works. Put your dice settings to auto. Now put on loss increase bet by 27%. Next, put your win chance to 9.3%. Make sure to start with the lowest bet amount. Now select roll and let the bot play. You should keep an eye on your balance or set a stop loss. As you can see, I have another dice game running in the back with similar settings. You can copy my settings if you get confused. As you can see, I'm winning in both games. Use these settings to double your money. This is a fast way to level up and get a higher faucet reward. You can do simple 1-minute surveys to earn money to play. When you're ready to cash out, go to withdraw on your dashboard. As you can see here, all my withdrawals went through. I withdraw 2 times a day. That's all for today. Thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.